In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a resume on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Indeed website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, that's perfectly fine. Just click on the Sign Up button to create one. It's a straightforward process. Just enter your email address and choose a password. Once you're logged in, look for a button that says Upload Your Resume. You can find this on the main dashboard of your account or sometimes on the top right corner of the screen. It's usually pretty obvious, but if you don't see it right away, don't worry, we'll find it together. Now, when you click on that button, you'll be taken to a page where you can upload your resume. There's typically an option saying something like Select a File or drag and drop your resume here. If you're using a computer, go ahead and click on that button. This action will open up a file browser window on your computer. Navigate through your files until you find your resume. It's always a good idea to name your file something professional, like johndoeresume.pdf. Once you've found your resume, click on it and then press the Open button. Your resume will start to upload. While it's uploading, it's a great time to double-check that your resume is up to date and tailored for the jobs you're interested in. It's essential to keep your resume current because employers look for the latest information on your qualifications and experiences. After a few moments, depending on your internet speed, you'll see a confirmation that your resume has been uploaded successfully. Great job! Now you'll have the option to update your resume or even post it publicly, which can increase your chances of being contacted by employers. If you prefer to keep your resume private, you can opt for that setting too. Next up, you can set your job preferences. This step is crucial because it helps Indeed match you with job listings that are most relevant to you. You'll see options to indicate the type of job you're looking for, the location, and even your desired salary range. Take a little time to fill this out, as an accurate profile will lead to better job recommendations. Once you've set your preferences, make sure to check the Email Alerts section. This feature will notify you whenever a new job matching your criteria is posted. This way, you won't miss out on any opportunities that align with your career goals. Finally, remember to keep your resume updated regularly, especially after completing new projects or gaining new skills. Consistency is key, and keeping your profile fresh will assist you in landing that dream job. So, to recap, uploading your resume to Indeed is a simple process that can really enhance your job search. Just log in, upload your resume, set your preferences, and don't forget to stay updated. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on job searching and career development. Thanks for watching, and happy job hunting.